Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we'll be downloading top 5 must-have Android app that you need to install right now. And it's April and part 2 series. And if you have missed my previous video, don't worry about it. I'll throw a card in the corner right here, which is Android must-have playlist. I jam-packed that playlist with every single video, so you won't miss out on anything. And if you think you miss out on anything, guess what? Subscribe to this channel and you're gonna get a shorts every single day with a new and good stuff. And thank you so much for my viewers and subscriber who's been helping and supporting this channel grow faster. That means the world to me, guys. Thank you. And for disclaimer purpose, these videos are for education purpose only. Once that's out of the way, let's go install some crazy free and some AI driven apps. Let's go. Okay, so once we start this one, I just want to let everybody know that everything will be in a link in the description below, including all the download links for this particular app, as well as all the rest of my video link as well. So you can just click on that one and you'll be able to install it. And if you have any trouble finding any of this application, you can put in comment down below as well. And I'll definitely respond to you straight away. And then I'll give you an alternative link if that doesn't work, or I might update that link as well. So let's kick off with number 1 on the list. Number 1 on the list is called PocketPal. So you must be thinking, or what could be one of those random apps that you can install from somewhere else. Guess what? This is an AI driven app. That's what I mentioned before. You're gonna get AI app on this one as well, and this is completely free, off the grid as well. So just to let you know, so when you open this application for the first time, let's open this one for the first time. This is what you're gonna get greeted with, and you're gonna find a different model. That means you'll be able to download an AI model to your device. That means you make sure you have enough storage available on your device so that you can install, or that means you'll be able to download like anything like a Llama 3, which is 4 GB. I'm going to show you right here. So if you go here and you press the model, at the moment what I've done is I've downloaded a Llama 3.1, which is 8 billion parameters, and that you'll be able to install it. And guess what? It has a 4.6 GB. So this is locally run Llama 3. That's what I mentioned. I put it in a post before. What's your favorite AI? Guess what? This is gonna be the favorite AI for you guys. This is completely free, by the way. Available on the website down below as well, so you can go click on that one. You'll be able to run this one locally without any issue, without having any internet as well. So you can go here. So if you want to change some parameters, you can change some parameters. But if you think how you're going to download it, buttons here which it says available to download, click on that one. If you want to download a Gemini 2, you can get it. Gemini like one of those fee as well. Like there are different models available, but remember you need to have enough space available on your device so that you can run locally, so that you don't have to be accessible like in a ChatGPT. You have a certain limitation that, guess what, this doesn't have that. If you want to run some serious command line, or so, you know, if you want to ask queries, guess what, this will be the best one for you. So this is a great and one of the best AI model you can download, or an application you can download. And by the way, if you like this application, guys, you can comment down below which one you're going to download and what's going to be your favorite one as well. Let's move on to app number 2. App number 2 in the list is called Filester, spelled like Filester. So you must be thinking what this application does. So this is going to be a crazy application you can download. And by the way, so let's go check out one thing, which is what is Filester. So again, you can go here and let's go on the website and explore some good stuff on what this application does. So this application, it is a web hosting application, file secure and accessible cloud storage app for your Android device. That means you'll be able to upload any files, and guess what, you can actually cast. So that means you'll be able to provide a Wi-Fi signal, and you can go exactly in the same link. You can send a message to yourself or somebody else if you want that person to access the file, and then you'll be able to download that file without an issue. So if you have a look, it's a cloud storage solution that respects the privacy, puts your control, get in, get up, App Droid. If you get an app store as well, get it up and down as well. So this is a great app. Let me show you what this application can do. I've actually uploaded that, and if you must be thinking how you can upload it, press that button and then just select a random thing. Like this is just me holding a T. I'm going to upload that. I'll wait for a few seconds depending on the speed, how fast your upload speed is going to be. This will actually upload the file, and then you'll be able to get a shareable link you can share with your friends and family members. You can see here, upload successful, your upload will be available for next 30 days. So you can actually, this is just a temporary file for you. That way you can share anything to anybody and then that person will be able to get something. So if you have a bigger file, guess what, you'll be able to share with this one as well. So press or copy link, share or anything. If you press share link, then multiple person will appear. Is this from WhatsApp, Drive, Facebook, anything? And then once you send that link to that person, and then once you open that link, the person whoever have received that will be able to see that actual file, and you can download that file at the same time. Or you can just start your own FTP server as well. You can see what's the operation happening at the moment. Past incident, you can see it is up and down, things like that. So again, this is just a system live thing. Give it a try and comment down below, and if you like this application or not. Let's move into app number 3. Okay, number 3 in our list is called Kreate. Spells like Kreate. So let's open that up. Kreate. So depending on how you pronounce it, but this is how I pronounce it. So Kreate is a great YouTube music application that you can sign in with. So you can, if you have a look here, I don't have to explain to you this application. So you can go right here. You can do a whole lot of things in there. You can have a quick pick as well. And you can sign in with your own account. So with your Google account, you'll be able to enjoy all of these without any hassle. So give it a try. Comment down below if this is your favorite application or not, and tell me this is going to be replaceable with some other different applications. So again, let's move on to app number 4. Okay, number 4 on the list, this is going to be a crazy classic nostalgic thing. So Classipod. So Classipod means if you ever have used an iPod, as I know as an Android user you hate Apple and things, but I've been using Apple for a long period of time as well, and I do actually use Apple product at the same time, and I used to own one of these classic Apple iPod. When you open this application for the first time, you might think, oh, this is something funny, but once you start using it, when you have the haptic feedback, like when you're scrolling this one, you go next, play, pause, and if you go in even setting as well, you can go here. It's a songs, 6 songs, how many artists, albums, version, and then you go back here, and then you want to select the language, device color. You can just change the different color as well. You can have a touchscreen enable. So I was just gonna, this is touchscreen enable at the moment, so you can go scroll up and down. This is actually a cool application if you just want to listen to any sort of a music and you want to have that a classic vibe. Guess what, install this application, give it a try, and comment down below if this is going to be your favorite or not. Trust me, I like it somehow. I just love this application to listen to the music. Look, even though I don't have any music in there, but still I keep opening the same application over and over just to have that classic iPod feelings as well. So let's move on to app number 5 on the list. Okay, app number 5 on the list is called Minimo Launcher, and you can check the description below. So the whole purpose of this launcher is to have a minimalistic approach for every single thing. You don't have any UI, you don't have any sort of a drama going on, like animation going on. You're going to get a simple text based like what I've shown here. This is Facebook here. If you want to search an application just by text based, if you are one of this person, you like just the text, you don't want anything, any sort of random animation or some sort of icon package or something like that, guess what, this is the application for you. I feature multiple launcher on this channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can go subscribe to the channel and then check my previous video. I've done a free and open source launcher. They're available on different websites. Obviously, you can check out the description below for the particular download link as well. But talking about this one, let's go into settings here. So you can add favorite apps. So that means whenever you open the application for the first time, that means your first interface, you can select anything. At the moment, what I've set up is a Facebook. You can set up any of this application as your quick, like a favorite application. If you want to hide any of this application, you can hide any of these apps as well. You go back here, set a default launcher. You can, at the moment, I have Launcher, Minimo, Nova, and One UI Home, which is the Samsung one. If I want to set it up, I can set it up there. If you want to send some feedback to the developer, depending on what email client you use, if there are any bugs or anything, obviously it's better to provide a feedback to the developer than just don't do anything. So rate this application. If you want to rate this application, guess what, this is available on Play Store as well. You can rate this application, again, free to download for everybody out there. You can check it out. Comment down below which one it will be the favorite one. Okay, this sums up my total top 5 must-have Android apps for the month of April, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one would you be keeping in your device, because I know I've been featuring a lot of application. You can comment down below if you want me to feature something different, like for instance Windows application or Mac application. So again, comment down below which one is your favorite one, and meanwhile guys, be happy, stay safe. This is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.